Hey everyone, my name is PRIYA Alighieri. I am the founder and CEO of the Alighieri Immigration Law Firm, and we focus on EB-1A visa applications for engineers. Today, I would like to talk to you about the scholarly articles criterion. As you may know, it is one of the 10 criteria to qualify for the EB-1A. And it's probably one of the more confusing ones if you're an engineer. The question I routinely get is, how many citations do I need? What is USCIS looking for? And the answer is USCIS doesn't have a number in mind. And in fact, you don't even need any citations. It's the quality of your article. It's the quality of your article, and also it does it meet the requirements for that scholarly articles criterion. So every criterion comes with its own set of requirements. And you have to make sure, if you are going to include your paper in your EB-1A visa application, you have to make sure it meets the requirements. Otherwise, it just will trigger an RFE, whether you have citations or not. So if your article doesn't meet the requirements and it has like 1,000 citations, it's not going to help you. You might as well just not include it. Okay, so what is the Immigration Service looking for with this criterion? They are looking for, first, that it is scholarly. So scholarly means it was written for other engineers, other learned individuals. It's a technical paper, it's like a white paper. What it's not is, it's not a blog, it's not an article that's in a magazine. Typically these papers are many pages long. So second, it should be published in a reputable platform, like if it's a journal, high impact. If it's a conference, it should be well known in your domain. For third, and really important, is your name needs to be on the publication. So a few times I've seen where someone's authored an article and their name is not on the article. Your name needs to be there. You don't have to be the primary author, but you do need to be an author. So first, before even thinking about citations, make sure you meet these 3 elements of that criterion. Keep in mind, and this is really important, citation numbers is not one of the EB-1A visa criteria. It matters, right? It matters. It matters more if you're an academic or a researcher. But for the EB-1A for engineers, you don't need citations. You don't even need scholarly article. It's not something I see frequently, but if you do have one, which is amazing, and you meet all those elements, you should include it. And then finally, what you also need to keep in mind is the Immigration Service is going to look at the totality of your evidence when it conducts the final merits determination evaluation. I'm sure you've heard about it. It's gotten a lot more play in the last year. So make sure that you have, you really have strong evidence for other criteria. So like for your salary, maybe your original contributions. Usually I see scholarly articles tied to your original contribution, role. All of those need to be strong. So you can get, you can not only meet the criteria, but you can also pass the final merits examination. If you're wondering if you qualify for the EB-1A, please don't hesitate to contact our office. We would love to speak with you and brainstorm on a strategy.